What's up, guys? It's your Serena and I'm back with another YouTube video, and I'm making pizza in my chaotic kitchen. You know, don't mind my sister's conversation in the back. Don't mind anything that happens in the back. Just pay attention to me. I mean, kind of don't, because I'm not that cute. But
yes. Okay.
I hope you enjoy this content. So this is gonna be me whispering because
Is this ready?
I don't live in my house. Okay, so we have the pizza, and the oven is already preheated to 350. So I'm going to open this up. Okay, hold on just a second, guys.
I think I got it now. Huh?
Okay, I don't know what I'm trying to do. Okay, I need a knife. Okay, slicey dicey,
And then like
slicey dicey, slicey dicey. Okay. Nothing. I'm making a video. What am I being rude for? How am I even not being nice? That doesn't. Whatever. Okay.
excuse me. Okay. So, what did you say?
So the pizza.
No, my sister's making
is
pizza
out of the
for.
bag.
Oh yeah, technically. My sister's making pizza for me, my brother, and my sister.
Okay, I'm gonna spread this pepperonis around
food because
because
she's on like a diet. She wants to do a diet where she's healthy and stuff.
but
So I'm making her what's it called? What's this stuff?
chicken.
Oh yeah, chicken breast. That's not. I know her.
All right, so like yeah,
But
okay.
she cuts it into make
Excuse me.
it like grilled chicken strips to put it in her salad. All right. So. We have to shut her door.
She said she doesn't want her door shut. So we got a pan. Okay, guys, like I think we're getting somewhere. So I need some foil spatula.
Okay. Upstairs room.
Alright, hold on. I just like rolled this
Huh?
foil. Just a second, guys. Alright, so yeah, we covered it in like oil. Perfect. Alright. Now we're gonna get some cooking spray. Okay, and we're gonna like spray this on here, so. Alright, so now it's sprayed. Don't mind this. I know it's like ruined, but whatever. So now you get the pizza. Oh, I can smell it already.
Let everybody know if they got pizza time there.
And then we're gonna put it in the oven, guys. Like, I'm so excited right now. Hey, do you guys see this? Like, a snack, looking at a snack. I'm cute, okay? Alright. Excuse me. Alright, so I got the oven mix. Like, I'm doing big things around here. Chef Boyardee has nothing on me.
This little chicken breast.
Okay. Pizza's
Kind of.
done.
She said that she's doing the
Big things, okay?
But she said that she's
Alright, so now we're gonna take this like cardboard
she's kind of making it her own.
and throw it away.
But she's not gonna like.
Honestly, I should have recycled that. Oh well, who cares? I'm gonna die soon anyways.
Like she's eating healthy
So,
and
yeah.
like
Oh,
drinking
you guys.
drinking water.
Technical difficulties. Okay, that's not funny if you don't put it right through, so that doesn't even make sense. Alright.
So not exactly put up, but she does. She did it.
Alright, so I'm gonna wait for the pizza to get done, so I'm just gonna set the camera up like over here or something so I can like wait for the pizza to like get done. Because I'm making pizza. Wait, you guys. I forgot to get the box and see how long I have to cook this for. Alright, so like, this is not the best video, but whatever, you guys. Like, it's content. I hope you guys are enjoying this because honestly, yeah, alright, I'm finally in the garage and I can finally be as loud as I want because, like, I couldn't be loud in there because my mom's, like, working in her room because, like, she, like, works from home now, which is great. Hold on, you guys can't see this. Great. Okay, I don't know what that laugh was for, so don't mind that. Okay, so here's the pizza box. Hold up, you guys. Okay. Like, the whole instructions are here. Oh, wow. This is supposed to be on 425, and I preheated the oven to 350. I'm stupid. Like, genuinely stupid. Okay. Just a second. Alright. It's on 425 now. We're good. Okay. Now, we wait for the pizza to get done. Alright, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at my baby. It's all grown up, boys. Okay. Now I'm all excited or whatever. Okay. Oh, yeah. I can't be loud. Forgot my mom's working upstairs. I'm trying to get my butt beat or something. Alright. Okay. Y'all see this? Oh my freaking gosh. My whole pizza has turned into a whole woman. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, ow, I just hit my foot. Ow. I tried to be extra. Almost broke my ankle. Hold up, you guys. This is a special moment for me. I see my baby all grown up. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, hold on. I need a self-portrait with my baby. Alright, you guys, so I'm, like, editing this video. And I don't even know what I'm doing. Hyping up pizza, calling it a woman, making it my boo, all in one. And then I called my child, like, I don't really know what I'm doing, so enjoy these clips. I'm probably going to look back at this and hate myself more than I already do. Alright, just enjoy this. Honestly, I'm confused my own self, so if you're confused, you're not alone, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to. Alright. You guys, like, this makes me not want to make another video because I'm just like, no. Okay, yeah, enjoy it. Mommy loves you. Okay, you guys, I gotta hype my boo up. Okay, you guys. Hey, boo, looking fine with that tan skin. I see you. And I see you with that pepperoni. Ooh. Hey, trying to flash that little red on them. Hey, is that red buns or pepperoni? Can't tell. Ooh, look at them olives. Looking bomb. You guys, honestly, I just gotta turn off the camera just to admire this. Okay, you guys. I'll show you guys what it looks like once I cut it and, like, eat it. Oh my gosh, like, I'm so proud of myself right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I was about to touch it, but I'm not trying to burn my hand, so, you know. Safety first. Oh my gosh, look how cute you are. I'm gonna just eat you up. Alright, you guys. See you guys once I eat my creation. Alright guys, bye. We're on to the cutting of the pizza.
Are you really making a video on pizza? That's no one does that.
I do, because I have no life and have no friends. So, what better way to feel my loneliness than make food and eat till my happiness content.
Mom, I hope you like this pizza. It's good.
I'm not okay. And the more I say that and people think it's funny, the more I realize I'm very serious. But it's okay, okay? Everything will be fine. Like, I'm alive, aren't I? Oh, wait, you guys might want to see me cut it out. Because people like that type of stuff. Can I say that type of stuff on, like, Instagram or something? Like, okay, hold on. Let me see something. I have a plan to show you guys. Oh, hold up, sis. I think I just invented something, okay?
Okay. Are you still there?
Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? I'm like cutting pizza. Oh my gosh. I just like invented something here. I like put my like, oh my gosh. It's so good. I'm like so hungry right now. Oh my gosh, you guys don't even know like how hungry I've been.
Don't take the biggest piece ever, because we know you.
True. Honestly, my family knows me so well, and honestly, they probably all hate me, but it's okay. Alright, so here's a pizza. Alright, so I had to like set my like camera and like the thing, and like, yeah, you guys should probably get the gist of this. Alright. So, I don't know if you guys do this, but I eat ranch on my pizza. It's probably kind of weird, but, well. Okay. Hopefully this is... No.
We're making a video. On pizza.
Get that hidden belly ranch, boys. Okay. Okay.
Mom.
Got the ranch, got the pizza. We're doing good, okay?
Mom.
So, I'm going to take the first
Pizza
bite.
knows to come eat since you're up there.
Can I see this? Like, oh my god.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, you guys, like... I think I did something. This is so good.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 from Chef Serenity. Chef Boyardeen has
Mom.
nothing on me. Gordon Ramsay, nothing. Any other person from any other cooking show, nothing.
Mom,
This is, oh my god.
Even with all of us?
Mm.
Okay. Both even.
So good. Like, oh, this slaps. Ew. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh yeah, don't forget to have 20 likes. Okay, I'm kidding. Let's try to get
Mom, be quiet.
1,000
Mom
likes.
said the orange cup that she had to make tea, put some water in it, and put some make tea basically.
I just choked on that false information.
Let's try to
guys.
hit 1,000 likes.
No,
Let's try to stay out
what
of
are you
certain-
doing? That's mine, huh?
Let's try to stay out of Amia's videos.
That's mine.
Serenity's videos.
I did
I
it.
don't care. That's mine.
I didn't know.
No, because you wanted the bigger piece.
Because they wanted the bigger piece. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. Don't forget to like, comment,
Yes.
subscribe. Bye.
There is no more.